What is the best way to prevent solder fume exposure safely? Imagine working on a circuit board and not worrying about breathing in harmful fumes. That's what proper solder fume control can do for you. When you solder, fumes from flux and metals can be hazardous if inhaled over time. The safest method is to use a well-designed solder fume extraction system that captures fumes right at the source. This means placing a fume extractor as close as possible to where the soldering happens. The closer it is, the more fumes it can catch before they spread into your breathing zone. High-quality filters are key. Look for extractors with HEPA filters that trap tiny particles down to 0.3 microns with 99.97% efficiency. Activated carbon filters are also important because they absorb gases and odors released during soldering. Combining these filters ensures both particulate matter and harmful gases are removed from the air. There are different types of extraction systems to consider. Portable units with flexible arms are perfect for small workshops or labs. They can be moved easily and aimed directly at the soldering point. Benchtop extractors sit directly on your workbench and are common in electronics assembly lines. Larger workshops might use wall-mounted or stand-mounted units to save space. For big manufacturing facilities, centralized systems connect multiple stations and keep the air clean across the entire workspace. Ventilation alone isn't enough because soldering fumes can build up quickly. Extraction systems need to maintain good airflow without creating loud noise or drafts that disturb your work. Regular maintenance is also essential. Changing filters on time keeps the system working at its best and prevents buildup of harmful particles. Safety standards matter too. Make sure your extraction system complies with occupational health and safety regulations. This helps protect you from toxic substances like lead, flux vapors, and other hazardous fumes. Using lead-free solder and low-toxicity fluxes reduces emissions even further. If extraction options are limited, wearing a mask with a proper filter can add an extra layer of protection during long or intense soldering sessions. Keeping your workspace clean and dust-free also helps. Solder residues and dust can become airborne if not properly managed. Combining all these steps, using source capture extraction, high-quality filters, regular upkeep, and safety gear, creates a safer environment. It's a simple but effective way to prevent solder fume exposure and keep your lungs healthy while working on your projects.